Hey guys, just finished up a video of the 1220 there. Go check that out if you haven't. She freaking runs now. Anyway, GT6000. Found this on Facebook Marketplace about 2 weeks ago. Scored it for 80 bucks. Yeah, I'm gonna part, well, I'm not gonna part it out, so to speak, but Kohler Magnum 18. You're probably thinking vertical shaft. Ugh. Nope. Horizontal shaft. 80 bucks. Reverse is blown out of it. The steering was broke, which turned out to be just the drag link, and I harvested a good one off this junkyard GT18. And also the freaking brace for the transmission is broke, so it kind of flops around when you drive. But I cleaned the carburetor out and it runs good. It runs good. So the plan with this, like I said, we're gonna harvest or I don't know if I did say it. I'm gonna harvest the Magnum 18 out of it. I'm gonna put the Magnum 18 in my Simplicity 7117 that has the Magnum 20 on it, for those of you who don't know. And I have a Boland's HT20 currently with an 18 horse opposed twin Briggs on it. And I'd rather have the Magnum 20 on it. So 18 horse into the Simplicity, 20 horse off the Simplicity into the HT20 Boland's, 18 horse opposed twin Briggs into this, transmission out of that into this, and then I got the freaking woods mower. Because yeah, the deck, it isn't the worst of these I've ever seen, but it's definitely not something I'd be afraid to bang over a couple saplings with. And the spindles all are pretty smooth and not ratchety or anything crazy, so heck, you can fire this up and let it idle and kick the mower deck on. It doesn't care. And so yeah, pretty happy with this. I've always wanted an actual functioning Craftsman cube tractor, so to speak, big cube tractor, if you've ever watched any of Lionel's office videos. But so that's kind of my motivation to swap the Briggs onto it, make it work. And I got a wiring harness here, except I cut wires off of it. I forget what for. Oh, I remember. It was for I was trying to make the Boland's charge with the HT, or with the opposed twin Briggs, which this one, if you remember, this one's from the junkyard. I bought it because it had the electric PTO clutch, and I sold the clutch for as much as I paid for the tractor. So parts, and it's gonna pay for it. The engine's got a lot of blow by. Somebody tried to put a piston in it. If you watch that video, they had the valves all mixed up and it has a bunch of blow by, so I don't think they did something right. It blows oil out everywhere, so that engine's good for maybe converting a good vertical shaft to a horizontal. But oh, and I swear it knocks a little, so as long as the crank's good. Otherwise I could just have the crank turned down on a horizontal shaft or vertical shaft. Anyway, without any further ado, let's hook my jumper pack up here and we'll fire this baby up, because yeah, it sounds good. Hold tight. Okay, bear with me here. Starter solenoid crapped out on it, so I gotta work the starter here and choke and throttle and whatnot. So hopefully it does start. Sometimes it was being stubborn the last time I tried to start it, but once it's running, it runs good. Yep, it's being stubborn again. All right, hold on. Whoop. I'm kind of lost here. All of a sudden, I'm cranking it, dumping ether in it, won't start. I'm checking to make sure I got spark. I clean the plugs off, dump more ether in it, still won't start. I'm like scratching my head and I don't spray any ether in it. I hit the jumper pack and it starts. What the fuck? So, yeah, I don't know. It does run good when it wants to run. Like I don't know if it'll, oh, hold on. Hang on here. Like I say, here, we'll idle it down. See what I mean? But she runs good. Take her for a quick spin, I guess. Drift backwards or not. Here, want to see reverse? That was reverse. See the transmission jump? Oh shit, why did I stop myself? Hey, it's kind of working. Kind of. Yeah, that's reverse. Minty. Oops. Yeah, it's junk anyway. Yeah, it runs good. If we want to. Cutting the grass. So yeah, I figure with a 18 horse opposed twin, it can be my wood mower. Wow, it's steering really hard. Then again, that might just be an AYP thing. Probably help if I put some lube to it. Transmission doesn't really sound that good in any gear anymore, but it's debatable how much oil is in it, if any. I'd putz her around for another minute or so, but man, just listen to that. So smooth. But we'll shut her down here, and that'll be the last time it runs in this tractor, and then it'll have a Briggs. So it can live on. I mean, it's not a bad tractor. I mean, the mower deck needs adjusted, and ooh, I think I gotta clean a mouse nest out of that shrouding. Holy shit, I smell something. It smells like piss burn. Piss burning. Ooh, yeah, wow. Can't believe there's not smoke coming out of somewhere. Anyway, it's got good rubber on it and works good, I guess. So yeah, we'll put the Briggs on and be disappointed with it, and then I'll sell it. No, I don't think I'll be disappointed with the Briggs on it. I'd just be more happy with a Magnum 20 on my HT20, and listen, the simplicity, I believe. All right, guys, that's enough BS for one video. We'll catch you later. Take care.